study of pH by common ion effect in each case of weak bases. Our aim here to study the pH by common ion effect in case of weak base. Theory. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base, whereas ammonium chloride is a strong electrolyte. Ammonium chloride has a common ion, that is, ammonium ion with ammonium hydroxide. In aqueous solution, ammonium hydroxide ionizes to form ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. On addition of ammonium chloride into ammonium hydroxide solution, the concentration of ammonium ions increases. As a result, according to Le-Chatelier's principle, the equilibrium is shifted towards the left or in backward direction, common ion effect, causing decrease in the concentration of hydroxyl ions, thereby decreasing the pH of the solution. Basic buffer is obtained by mixing ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. The pH values can be ascertained by using pH paper or universal indicator. To perform this experiment, the apparatus required are test tubes with a test tube stand and a dropper. The chemicals required are 0.1 molar ammonium hydroxide, 0.1 molar ammonium chloride solution, pH paper or universal indicator, and a standard pH color chart. Let us perform the experiment. Take 3 clean test tubes in a test tube stand. Label them as A, B and C. Take 10 ml of 0.1 molar ammonium hydroxide in test tube A. Take 10 ml of 0.1 molar ammonium chloride solution in test tube B. In test tube C, take 10 ml of 0.1 molar ammonium hydroxide and add 10 ml of 0.1 molar ammonium chloride solution to it. Shake well. Dip a strip of pH paper in each solution for few seconds, or add 2 to 3 drops of universal indicator into each of the solution and shake well. Observe the color developed on the pH paper or in the solution. What do you observe? The pH paper in test tube A turns dark blue in color. The pH paper in test tube B turns yellow in color. The pH paper in test tube C turns bluish green in color. Or the solution in test tube A turns dark blue in color. The solution in test tube B turns yellow in color. The solution in test tube C turns bluish green in color. On comparing these colors with the standard pH color chart, we can say the pH of the solution in test tube A is 11. The pH of the solution in test tube B is 5. The pH of the solution in test tube C is 8. Observation and result table. Since the pH of ammonium hydroxide is 11, observation and result table. Since the pH of ammonium hydroxide is 11, we can say it is basic in nature. pH of ammonium chloride is 5. We can say it is acidic in nature. pH of ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride is 8. We can say it is basic in nature. Precautions to be taken. Label the test tubes correctly. Mix the solutions properly after adding universal indicator. Conclusion. The pH of solution of ammonium hydroxide decreases. It becomes less basic after the addition of ammonium chloride due to common ion effect. The decrease is proportional to the amount of ammonium chloride added.